Hey guys, we're back on our Crouch End project. This is the one we're doing in North London. I'm with my main guy, Leo, who's actually behind the camera today. But I'm excited to show you because the last time we were here was back in January. And now it's been February, March, April, start of May. We are gonna see the other 4 flats. They're all taking shape. The last time we was here, I don't know if you can remember, but there were RSJs that weren't even up. They were still on the floor. It was literally air conditioned. And what I mean by that, there was no doors on the backside. It was completely open plan, but we now have a garden. We now have doors round the back. You can see the shape of the building. And when we get up onto the first floor, one of the flats actually had a doorway that was blocked because there was nothing behind it. We now have an extension being built and you'll be able to see the shape of what the kitchen and maybe a little study is going to be around the corner. Not only that, you're going to see some of the finishing. I mean, the finishing is mind-blowing. This ain't no low quality budget landlord project. This is all about high finish, 6 contemporary flats with all of bamboo being bent, all of these MDF that you've never known that it could be them sort of shapes. So before I go any further, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on content. And if you want to take part in our site visits, drop me a DM. We'll put a link down below how you can be a part of this, because there's no learning like real life learning. So as you can see, the front actually doesn't earn us no money, and that's one of the last bits that we do. We've already got foundations down here where we're going to be having engineered bricks. There's going to be retaining walls, metal gate fences as well, but we'll show you that on another day. We're going to have a flight of stairs starting from here, and every 2 steps they go up until they get floating around the back. But that's for another day. So let's just check out the progress, what we've got done now. So here we are. You're probably thinking not much has changed here. Well, this is just the hallway, but the magic really happens when we step this way. Remember last time there were some RSJs right here on the floor? Not anymore, baby. This is now, we've got a bathroom right in front of us. We've got a bedroom here. So this is gonna be a front-facing bedroom. Some of these won't make any sense, but as we go upstairs, you'll see what sort of doors, what sort of paneling, and what sort of spray colors we're gonna be using with the handles. Again, we've gone for some high finishes. You just gotta look at this, guys. Look how tall that is. This is at least 7 foot tall, and that just oozes expensive. Again, we've got a lovely bathroom here that you're gonna see the finished version upstairs. So you're gonna see some of the mosaics that we use. And also we have some lighting that's up at the top. This helps with all of the ventilation in the whole place. As we're just going past, I can't help but notice this. Check this MDF out. If you check from the top, we've got top carpenters who know how to bend this type of wood to create that sort of finish. Again, we've got a bedroom here. I don't know what this bath is doing here, but we're just keeping that out of the way for now. Again, you can see some ventilation up there, high doors. I mean, the finish of this room, because how high the ceilings are, you know, it just creates that expensive feel. We're now gonna come over here. We've got a little airing cupboard here. Maybe we're gonna chuck a washing machine, but this is gonna be the open plan kitchen area. We're gonna have an island in place. We've got all of the bells and whistles here on our boiler systems. And as we come out here, you can now see a garden. I mean, the last time you came here, guys, we had no doors or anything. This was all open. We've now got all the brickwork done. Here, we've got all of the tiling all sorted. And not only that, we've got these new retaining walls out here where we're gonna be putting stuff in planters. So check this out behind me. Last time you was here, it was just all open plan. There weren't any doors and we were actually just taking a wee over there, but none of that right now. I mean, just check how this property looks. Check out the sash windows. And you're probably thinking, why are some of these bricks looking white? It's because some of the salt is coming out of this bricks and they can all be washed away. So never be worried, because about 15 years ago, it happened on my very first project. And I was like, what's going on? Do I have to tear the whole building down? But as you can see, there's 2 flats downstairs, 2 flats on the left to the right, and 2 flats going over there. So follow me around this side. So this is another flat here right now. Again, you can see the ventilation system. We've got coving all being done right at the top. They're all gonna be filled and sanded up to a very high spec. We've got kitchen units all on here, guys. And we've got our boiler, this side is actually encabineted right here. So this is what we're using. We're gonna be having pipes here because there's an island that's coming around this. Again, very high ceilings. We've got our little cupboard here. We've got plumbing done already for the washing machine. And here we come into bedroom number 1. We've got fitted wardrobes. And again, we're gonna show you the finish going upstairs. Here we have our bathroom, still got a cistern and toilet and sink still to be put on, but you can see that sort of taking shape. Again, you can see the quality of these doors and bedroom number 2. So we've got a 2-bedroom over there, a 2-bedroom over here. Check the glass out on these windows. And the top feature that we actually got happening is we've got underfloor heating throughout the whole property. This is an added feature where in terms of you're never cold wherever you're sort of walking around. And what we'll also be having is a system here where it controls who you let in and out of the building, and we'll show you a finished one upstairs, guys. So I'm going to take you upstairs. Not a lot has changed, but there are some features like the extension that has been built. And before we do that again, guys, I was talking about that underfloor heating. Check that out. It's already going down. This is where all of the pipes are going to be going. It's proper plumbed in, none of that electric. It's going to be long term, and we're going to have a very warm floor. Again, if you missed it last time, we've got lovely paneling system. They've really thought about lighting here, how to have some recessed walls, the spotlights. Really, really love this bamboo feature, what they've done with all spotlights around. It's been really well thought after. So whenever you're doing a project, guys, always pay attention to the details. Again, these lights are looking absolutely fabulous. And if you follow me around now, this bespoke kitchen, and I say bespoke because it's been made to measure. We've given them the measurements and they've built it as accordingly to that. We've got our cooker hob here. We've got the sink here, which I don't know if you can remember back in school days, but that's the one we used to have. It's got a lovely feature towards this. We've got some lamps here that are gonna be going up. And if we go this way, this is the paneling system I was talking to you about, the door downstairs. So where we just saw some wiring, this is now gonna allow you to talk on an intercom and also gonna allow to see who's at the door, and you can allow somebody in. Now, I would take you upstairs, but not a lot has changed. So if you wanna see that one, just go back to the last vlog that we did here back in January. We'll put it at the end of this video, so you'll be able to click right on that and see what's going on there. But we're gonna show you the rest of that on launch. But what I do wanna show you is last time there was some plywood covering this doorway. Why? Because there was nothing over there at all. But now, we've now got the extension done from behind. So if you come through this window, above one of the skylights, this has been brand newly built. And so this is now access to the new kitchen. Check this out. It's a little small, but it does the whole job that we need it to. It's got a bedroom at the back. This is potentially a child's bedroom or a study area. So we've got 1, 2, 3.5 meters by 1, 2. So it's just above 6 square meters. So it's normally going to be used for a study, but we thought it'd be nice to make use of this space here. Got a lovely little bamboo sort of style here, and we're going to be doing some more features around here. As you can see, the interior design, we've got lovely whites and blacks. This just oozes expensive, you know, money, baby. We've got the mosaics happening all around this bathroom here. And of course, we're going to be doing the underfloor heating, and some of these drawers have been slightly done differently, where we've just put grooves in to open them here. Now guys, instead of going up, let's go down, because there's a bonus flat right downstairs in the basement, and I really want to show you. So I need to get down on a step ladder, and I'll see you there. Right, so we're coming down here right now, and no, this isn't gonna be the stairs coming down. We're gonna have some proper retaining metal stairs coming down. So we've just come down, made it through them steps, and I'm gonna be showing you here. We've put a lintel across here because this is gonna be a kitchen area with a lovely breakfast bar. Over here, guys, we're gonna be having a partition where there's gonna be a bathroom, and you've got to see some of the design we've got installed for you. And finally, we're gonna have a lovely bedroom here with a lovely screen here with a little sofa coming in here. You've actually got to see it to believe it. So I hope you really, really enjoyed that, guys. Wow. There's another site visit done. Guys, I really love being on a site. Why? Because at one stage I was at these places and wondering what that builder or what that site man was doing at that place. And once I learned what these people actually did, not only did I know all of the works from the bank, but I also found out how to do things practically. And that's the best way to actually learn, because sometimes the book doesn't teach you everything. It's real life experience. So if you want to come down to one of these site visits, we've currently got a couple on the go right now. We can go through drawings, costings, what's the purchase price, what's the refurb value, and what's the end GDV. I'd love to go through this with you and show you on a bi-weekly process where we go on calls and show you exactly how to get this done. And no, I'm not like all of these mentors who are charging thousands and thousands of pounds. It's actually less than you think. It's actually only $150 for the month for you to come on a program like this to learn on site. It's purely because this is close to my heart and I really want to show you what this is all about. So I hope you really enjoyed this vlog. Please stay tuned for all of the free material that I put out. Also, I try my best. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, leave me a comment about anything that you want to know about, and share this with somebody who needs to see it. But until next time, peace.